we are heading out to VQ Boys Performance. Brian's got yet another surprise for me, so we're gonna go see what's going on there, and then, you know, kind of figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. All right, so we're out here actually with a special Z. So this is the corn-fed 350Z. It's a pretty sweet setup here. I like those wheels a lot. Those wheels are sick. This is the first 350Z I've seen that makes more power than I do on the dyno. Pretty sweet, you know? Got the owner here, so you wanna tell us a little bit about it?
Full bolt on, E85.
He's about to make it really loud.
2 hours later.
What'd you say?
Bruh. Thanks.
You're welcome.
So you were saying?
So it is full bolt on E85. Headers, back, exhaust, wide pipe, test pipe, 3-inch single exit, and everything lower manifold, ported, upper, elbow, ported throttle body. Now thanks to Brian over here, VQ Brian. At VQ Brian, hit him up. Yeah, it made this full E85 tuned by Harry at Z Tuner. That's the man, the GOAT. 293 and 276 torque.
Ooh. See, I was only able to make 283 horsepower in mine and 259 torque. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to Harry and see what happens. We'll see what happens on Sunday. We'll see if we can, you know, change those numbers a little bit. 300 will be a dream without spray. That'll be a dream.
Doable. Everything's doable.
Everything's doable. It's too easy, right? It's too easy. Oh man, it's a sweet setup though. We're actually doing a pulley delete form right now, so we'll get that all set up here, and you're gonna be loving it. It's gonna feel so good. Did you swap the throttle body out yet?
Yeah.
Oh, so we already got the ported throttle on there.
Coolant bypass.
Ooh. Coolant bypass.
Yeah,
Man, extra horsepower.
best guys.
Oh man. Of course, if you guys need a ported throttle body, this little bad boy right here, we do those port jobs, of course. So just hit us up, you know, VQ Boys Performance on Instagram and everything, or go to the website. I'll throw the link right here. Gosh, I feel bad because every time that there's a video, it's like Ryan's the only one working on the car. You know, every time.
What the f else are you gonna do?
All right. Now we're just gonna go ahead and do the idle relearn, make sure everything's all good to go on it. Then this thing should be all set and ready for ripping. It's a good setup though. Yo, give it a little rev. That sounds good. So we're taking the opportunity to do something fun. Let me go show you guys. So we are going to be going to swap in the new diff bushings. So I went with the Whiteline diff bushings, so we'll have those swapped in. Mainly because the one I have in the Z right now is blown out like bad. Like, look how intensely gross this looks. This is just all the diff fluid inside of this little bushing right here. So basically, we need to get this cleaned up and everything, but we'll swap that out, and then we'll swap out the bushing here as well, and the one on this side too, to the white lines. So from what I understand, it's not going to be as flexible as far as the diff is concerned. It's definitely going to grip a lot better, and it's going to feel like it, you know, a lot stronger, which is what I need at this point, because if we're doing a full drag build on it, you know, we got to, you know, do it the right way and everything. So we'll do that to start and kind of see how she reacts from there, and then it's just full send mode at that point. Oh, that smell.
It does.
Oh, bro, that's worse than butt cheeks. It sounds like someone that's spoken from experience. Oh, did you break that?
Yeah, I did.
Savage. Rip.
In the arms of the angel.
That's what's left of my bushing. You know, the stock bushing. Yay. So I'm going to spare you guys the audio that I just had to deal with. Who? Quit? It got really loud in here because we had to take this collar out, and this collar was well, she's no longer with us, but this is what was holding the bushing in. So now we got her out, so we'll be able to get the new bushings now in there. Look how sick that looks though. All right, so the white lines are officially in, which is awesome. And then once the fronts are installed and bolted to the chassis, then go ahead and grab the rear bushing, drop it in through the back, because it's just that much easier. Or, you know, just pay Brian, because, you know, it works that way too. All right, so we went ahead and got the bolts back on for the axle on both sides, went ahead and hooked the drive shaft back up. We'll go ahead and throw the exhaust back on here, and then we should be all set and good to go to start ripping it. Shout out to Brian. Guys, so everything feels absolutely amazing in this car right now. I gotta say, I can definitely feel the difference. Just even like just subtly launching the car, I'm not leaving more than like 2,000 RPM, but I can definitely feel it. Oh, someone wants to play. Okay, okay. Time to have an unfair advantage. That was good, bro. Ready? Fun. All right, guys, so we are back at the garage now. Just did the first pulls with the new diff bushings, and this thing feels insane, to say the least. I just wanted to give a big shout out to Brian with VQ Boys Performance for helping out, you know, put this all together and everything. In fact, it was pretty awesome because Brian actually offered me a full sponsorship for the car and everything, which is absolutely amazing. So yeah, it's official. We are now officially with VQ Boys Performance, and this is going to be, you know, one of their cars that this is going to be basically pushing it as hard as we possibly can. So we're gonna see where this goes. I'm really looking forward to it. Like I said, if you are looking for anything DE related, any performance modifications, VQ Boys, they specialize in racing intakes. Really, it's their bread and butter. It's what they do best and everything, and they're making killer gains with it. It's just an awesome experience being able to work with them and really see what goes into it, and be able to, you know, be a part of it. And of course, you know, now be able to have a car that, you know, they're putting their parts on and being able to test and everything. It's a pretty awesome experience. So thanks again for Brian for the opportunity and everything, and I can't wait to show you guys what's next. If you haven't already, please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We've got content coming out all the time. Drop a comment what you think about the Z with the diff bushing and everything, how you think the install went. If there's anything that you saw that, you know, could be of more assistance, we always appreciate the feedback and the help and everything. But most of all, guys, thank you guys so much for all of the love and everything. We really appreciate that, and we'll see you later.